Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and yesterday I got some Happy Mail in and thought I would unbox it with you. I got in a shipment from Archer and Olive, and then also from Paper House Productions, and I'm super excited. And they actually have a sale that is still going for a few more hours as of when I post this video, so you may want to check that out. All right, I will unbox. Let's go. The first thing I got were these two items that I had pre-ordered from Archer and Olive. And I absolutely love Amy Tangerine. She is one of my favorite creators, love her designs, love her attitude, and I just love all things Amy Tangerine. So when she announced she was releasing a new line with Archer and Olive, I was all about it. So the first thing that I bought was this beautiful journal. This is a rainbow page dot grid journal. Look at the sides of that. It's so pretty. I am about all things rainbow too. Love rainbows, have them all over my craft room. Let me see if I can take this out and show you. We will just cut this. And I love that it has this craft color on the front that is just so Amy Tangerine. Beautiful rainbow that she watercolored there, and of course her gorgeous lettering. You have this title page and then beautiful rainbow grid journal that I think is so fun. Just so great. Great for practicing hand lettering, great for doing all kinds of stuff. So I could not pass up that journal because I just loved it. I don't have a plan for this one quite yet, but I'm excited to have it in my hands. It is just so beautiful. So I bought that. And then I also picked up this, and she released an Archer and Olive planner last year. And I didn't get the one from last year, but this year she actually had a couple of different options, including an undated one. And I already have all my planners set for 2021, but I, again, just love Amy Tangerine, love her designs. And so I decided to pick up this undated planner. It starts off in the front. You have a little intro from Amy, and you have some bullet journal pages here at the front, and then a whole wide range. Look at all of that, all of this undated goodness. So you can use this anytime, which is why I picked it up. I absolutely love it. They even have the monthly layout. Again, not totally sure how I'm going to use this one this year, but it was so pretty. And because it was undated, I figured I would go ahead and pick it up, and then I could start it at any point. So that is what I picked up from Archer and Olive. Let me open my Paper House box and show you what I got from them. All right, I am a new member of the Paper House Productions creative team, and they are having a sale, 50% off of a ton of paper crafting products. There's a ton of washi that's on sale for only $1. So I knew I wanted to pick up a few things. And if you use my code, which I will definitely put right here, it is PH20 Elisa. I'll put it in the description box, and then here on the screen, you get an extra 20% off on top of the sale. So it is like a fabulous deal. So I ordered several things for the upcoming year for some plans I have. And look at all of this fun goodness. First of all, they always send some extra goodies, and I think that is so fun. So I have this magnet that are these cutie Easter eggs. That is going to be super cute. I love that. And here's some bookmarks, guitars. So fun. They have such a wide range. Look at this cutie card. Oh my goodness. I love it. That's just a blank card. That's absolutely adorable. So those are some of the extras. And then you can see that I had a lot of fun picking out some washi tape. I have some plans for some morning journaling time this year, and in my head, it will involve a lot more washi tape. And so I picked up, these were all only $1 for a 2-pack of washi tape, and I just couldn't pass up the chance. Now, some of this is for my daughter, including this one. She loves elephants, so that will probably find its way either just into her room, maybe as a last minute stocking stuffer or something like that. Super cute. Love that. I picked up some more of the This Is Us line. Oh, look, those are extras too. Oh, I love those. Okay, I'm going to put these aside. Look at those candy cane stickers. Those will definitely make it into my planner this week. Okay, some more of the This Is Us line. This is the Boss Babe. Super cute. I really loved the glasses and the florals in this pack. So definitely wanted to pick that up. Look at these stars. So I picked up a lot of galaxy and star pieces. I just thought they were so pretty with the gold foil. Absolutely cool. Love butterflies. And I love how these packs have the thin washi. So the thin is what I'm using a lot in my planner recently. So I definitely wanted to pick up some more of it because I actually don't have a lot of that size. But look at those butterflies. So adorable. I can't wait to use this in my planner. Then purple, my favorite, with this gold accent. These are like lotus flowers, I believe. So cute. Ah, I love it. There was so much on sale, you guys. This one is Where the Wild Things Are. Paper House has several licenses, and one of them is Where the Wild Things Are. I absolutely love that. And it says, "Let the wild rumpus start. I'll eat you up." Oh, it's so cute. Oh, with all the little monsters going on. And then I got a ton of washi. So then we have this music washi. Of course, music is a big part of my family. My husband and I are both musicians. So here's some black with gold foil music, and then the piano keyboard. So cute. Great for just blending. Some more purple. Again, I loved the skinny washi especially, so I wanted to pick that up. Purple's my favorite color, so definitely wanted that. This one, oh, this one is beautiful. It's these birch trees. Let me open it and get it out of here. Let's see. We will open this up. Okay, this one has these gorgeous birch trees with some silver foil in there, and then this really pretty leaf motif. I thought those were gorgeous as well. And then last but not least, I had to pick up some Llama washi tape. I am a part of Wild University, a part of Planners Gone Wild, and I love, love, love that Llama washi tape. So I had to pick that up. Super cute. So a ton of washi, and then I did pick up a few stickers. So I found these. These are like epoxy stickers. They have a little bit of dimension to them, but not much. I loved the arrows and the hearts and the florals on this one. I thought that was super cute. And again, just a little bit of dimension. I picked up this. I loved the colors. Look at the stars and the gems. Follow your bliss. And these are a little bit more of a cardstock sticker, so a little bit thicker. Loved the little journaling spot. That's going to work out well in my morning journaling time. Do all things with love. Absolutely adorable. And again, I loved the colors. Loved the colors. You even get some alpha in there. And then some faux washi. So pretty. Look at those arrows. I love it. Love it. That's going to be so fun. Here we have Dream Big. The stars shine for you. Follow your dreams. I just loved the stars. And of course, purple, one of my favorites. I really liked this Believe. So I thought these would be really fun to layer. I picked up, here we go, some soccer. My daughter is really into soccer. I don't buy a lot of stickers to scrapbook that are so literal, but I could not pass on these soccer ones. So that'll be great for the spring, upcoming spring, to document her soccer journey. And then I picked up a few papers that I thought were just fun. So I got this one, Stargazer. Look at this side with that gold foil. Oh, so pretty. I'll have trouble figuring out which one I want to do. Oh, look at this one. This is a bonus one, I think, that they sent me. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Okay, I love this one with the brushes right there. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this. Oh, it's sticking right here. Let me just take this off. Okay. The gorgeous blues And then I loved these cards. I thought they would be fabulous for layering. They go with that whole galaxy kind of theme. Beautiful crystals. And then look at all of this faux washi. Again, this was the side I bought it for, thinking of all of those layering possibilities. Super fun. Look at this. Oh, it's purple and blue. Absolutely love it. And then, of course, all the star chart. So pretty, so fun. And then, just for fun, a little Wonder Woman celebrating the new movie. And I loved this image, confidence and strength. Love, love, love that. So those are the goodies that I picked up from Paper House. Like I said, it is a huge, huge sale going on. You're going to want to go check it out. You can use my code. I'll put it up here again, PH20ELISA, and you get an extra 20% off. I have it linked down below. That's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more, but it goes a long way to supporting this channel. And so I really do appreciate when you are able to shop those links. All right, I hope you enjoyed opening my Happy Mail with me. I certainly enjoyed getting it and looking at it, and I cannot wait to start playing with all of these pieces. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.